So first of all, I think I don't want a multi-level, but we want an intern. So we want the guy to start as an intern, and his role is to become an ambassador or a whatever. So from an intern, he will become, if he's got 20 or 100 wallets already on his name, then he will become the next step. And then eventually he need to then appoint, then he becomes, for example, I don't know the word, for now, we can think about that, a team leader, maybe. And then he need to appoint, or he's an intern and then if he's got 10 people that joined this specific program, he will become a team leader. But we need to grow that team. So we actually need to up not the 10. 10 is just not enough. And then if there is in the teams also need to then create or become. And as soon as he's got, for example, 20 teams under him, he become a regional manager, and then the final one is ambassador. But we can call the whole program the ambassador. Now, on the commission side, if the guys, I don't want to limit the time. I want to give them commission for, if somebody work and they see that they can work, and if this project run for 100 years, I want them to earn an income for the next 100 years. So I'm just not, I wish I can offer them the moment there is a wallet activation and the first money paid into the wallet. Maybe we should do something like that where the person will have to pay, for example, 100 Rand. But yes, then it's not a free wallet. But we can maybe have a wallet, and then we have a gold wallet. And then, but to have a gold wallet, there is a certain fee, and we can work on products, for example, some kind of cover or whatever. Then we can give a percentage of that as commission. So they will continue to earn. They can continue to earn and grow their business, and they will just earn. Now, my idea, and that's what I put in that proposal I sent, is our average profit will be about 2%. So we charge 4.5, but there's fees that we need to pay to the guys that's offering the rails. So we will have about 2% left. Now, out of the 2%, so on an average, we can work on 2. And on the 2%, I'm making available 25% of that. So in other words, 0.5% will go into the structure, of which 3% will go to the person that introduced, and then we also have like the team leader will get a overriding commission, and the regional guy will get an overriding, but it becomes a small amount. But because there's 1,000 people under him, if it's 1 Rand, so let's say the example is we offer 25 Rand. So on the 25 Rand, 15 of that will go to the person that is the first line. The second line will most probably be 5 Rand and 3 Rand and 2 Rand, something like that.